So what is ProcurementCon? It's a day of action. When you're walking into those classrooms, you're walking out with something. These are a day filled with resource partners from various agencies, subject matter experts, and they are there to teach, to educate, network, to connect. They're there to help you scale your business. BizCon is a local regional event. ProcurementCon is more of a statewide event, and they are focused on government contracting and small business development for anybody at any level in their business development journey. If you're already a government contractor, this is going to help you improve your potential reach. If you're just curious about entering into government contracting, if you're just interested in how to get funding for your business to grow so that you can open up a second location. There is so much out there, and what we do is we put all those resources under one roof to get it to you. Entering into new markets, elevating your business, scaling up, interested in selling your products or services to the government, or you want to sell your products or services to the corporate sector, you're going to want to be at one of our events.